Hi, my name is Dylan Nekdolov, and this is my Lab 3 for ECE 62122. This is my opening screen. On the top we have Fuzzy's Revenge, the title. Below that we have the key controls. Press enter to restart, escape to exit, space to power up, and up down to rotate Fuzzy. Below that, here's the author text. On the top left we have the number of lives. We start with 5. On the top right we have the score. Below that the insect, and below that the animal sprites. We have both evil and woodland creatures. On the left we have Fuzzy. Below that we have the power up bar. So let's begin by hitting enter. Okay, so now I'm going to change Fuzzy's angle rotation by clicking the up and down arrows. First let's try to get the tiger, which is right over here. So I'm going to hold down the space bar to power up to gain speed. When I let go, he will release. And cool, we hit him. So our score is updated to 25 and the whole column is removed. Now let's try to get the UGA Bulldog. Okay, so I'm going to rotate Buzz, I'm going to power up. And as you can see, Fuzzy is pursuing a projectile motion while also rotating, and I can demonstrate that really quickly by having a really small power up. As you can see, he rotates while in motion. Okay, so my next goal is to get this unicorn. I want to demonstrate that I get an extra life and that all the sprites above it will move down one. This unfortunately is a bad example because he's all the way at the top, so let's try to win this level and recreate a new one. Alright, so I'm going to get the tiger first. Alright, cool, I got the tiger and my score updated to 75. Now let's get the UGA Bulldog. And keep in mind that when the insect intersects with Fuzzy while inactive, there is no update to the score. Only when Fuzzy is in motion and intersects with the insect does that collision result in an update to the score. Alright, so I'm going to release my spacebar. Oh, I almost hit the insect. Alright, so I hit the Bulldog, that's great. So now the unicorn is third in the row, which is good. All these sprites reposition randomly after a new level is recreated. So to get the unicorn, I need to get this tiger. So let's first do that. I'm going to position Buzz, I'm going to power up. Alright, cool, I got the tiger. Let's try and see if we can get this unicorn, and maybe also we can try to get the insect. Alright, cool, I got the insect and I got the unicorn. So as you can see, score updated to 200, which is correct. And I gained a life, so I have maximum 5 now. And all of the sprites that were above the unicorn moved down 1. Alright, now let's try and get this bulldog just to finish this level. Oh, okay, so we actually hit the chicken, which is fine, and we lost a life. So that's expected. Let's try and get the bulldog again. Alright, cool, we got the bulldog, our score updated, and now everyone is positioned randomly. We see that, we also saw earlier that when we hit the bee, we got plus 75 on our score, and the bee only respawns until a new level is recreated, which it did. So now that I've demonstrated everything, let's demonstrate when I lose all my lives. So let's just make sure that Fuzzy doesn't hit the evil mascots. Oh, we hit the bee again. I mean the insect, so we got a score of 300. Okay, so we lost all of our lives, and that's game over. We have a total score of 300. And that concludes my demonstration. Thank you.